If you're thinking of taking a food allergy or intolerance test, then first consider the warning signs that could leave you with inaccurate results, no symptom relief, wasted money, and minimal support. Warning sign 1, you're asked to send in a hair sample or a finger prick. When it comes to foods causing inflammation, what you need to test is an inflammatory marker called IgG, which is an antibody that's found in blood and not in a hair sample. There are some antibodies in a blood finger prick, but it's still not an accurate sample for diagnosis of food allergies. ImmuPro tests are conducted on blood serum, which has the highest concentration of IgG antibodies towards foods and is drawn by a professional pathology collector and centrifuged so the sample is stable for testing. In other words, we test only using the most accurate methods and sample, so you know you're getting accurate results. And on top of that, if you wish to do further testing with your current sample, we're able to upgrade this without the need for another blood draw, if you wish to do something like a histamine intolerance test. Warning sign 2, the test costs less than your lunch. If it looks too good to be true, it usually is. If your food allergy test seems too cheap and is always on sale, then something may be amiss. Legitimate pathology companies have to cover the costs of specialised lab technicians, food testing materials, quality management certifications, and many more. All ImmuPro testing plates have the CE mark of approval in Europe, which requires extremely strict quality control, reproducibility, and QA standard of care that the ImmuPro lab must adhere to. We offer testing that adheres to legitimate protocols, provides accurate results, and are overseen by our doctors. Warning sign 3, you can't call and speak to a consultant. Many people do prefer to speak to an expert about their test options before deciding if a food allergy test is right for them. There are times where a specific test might not be the right diagnostic tool for you. So if there's no one to speak to, how do you know if you've made the right choice? At ImmuPro, our consultants are available by phone, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sydney time, and we're always happy to answer your questions. We also have an in-house naturopath available to discuss your health. We're all real humans, available to help you every step of the way. Warning sign 4, they don't tell you the testing methodology. Do you know exactly how they test for food sensitivities? What is the method used? Is it reproducible? It's important for health testing companies to have transparency. ImmuPro tests for type 3 allergies, which are also called IgG food intolerances, using the gold standard ELISA test method. We test all IgG subclasses 1 to 4, which induce inflammation. You can find out how the test works on our parent website at immupro.com/science. Warning sign 5, they don't tell you where the lab is. Purchasing a test for your health online can be daunting, and even more so if you don't know where you're sending your sample to. The ImmuPro team are located at 46 Market Street, Sydney, and we're open for you to come in and drop your sample off in person if you live or work nearby. We also have a Lavity pathology on the 4th floor for your convenience. All our samples are sent to the ImmuPro lab in Germany every Friday, which we've been doing for the last 15 years. If you've successfully avoided these 5 warning signs and would like your allergy test to provide accurate results, real symptom relief, and genuine support from an Australian company trusted by GPs since 2006, click the link below to schedule your consultation and get started.